If you're looking for a particular image or document in your library, try using the Advanced Search feature. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how it all works. From your library, click Advanced in the toolbar. Enter a specific search term or check out the filter boxes below. You can filter by file source, file type, folder, or even orientation. To search for files that were added within a certain time frame, click the Date Range field and select either the last 30 days or the Custom option. If you choose Custom, select a start date from the calendar on the left or right using the arrows to scroll to the desired month or year. Then click Done. When you're finished, click the magnifying glass. To clear your search inquiry, click Reset All. And that's how easy it is to search for images and documents in your library with Constant Contact.